بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Girl Guides is a movement. It is for school-going girls. Mr. Baden and his sister started it in 1910. Girls spend some time in camps out of their houses. Camping improves their lives a lot. Girls become disciplined, healthy, and civilized. They get sense of responsibility and commitment. They also learn household skills. They learn how to talk and behave politely. They become conscious of their future life and duties. Their moral and social character refines. Girl Guides movement is very useful for a nation. Girls must try to be a part of this movement. Such movements prepare young girls for the challenges of life. Governments should provide moral and financial support to such organizations. Such activities make women a living force and an active participant in a society. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Also like and share this video with your friends. Thanks.